What's going on, MB?
Working on our
RR's finally getting some love.
Yeah.
What are you doing on RR?
Scraping the gasket to make it clean for the new cover that Marcel got me for my birthday.
Marcel got you a case cover for your birthday.
Yeah.
That's an odd present.
Yeah, so fully we're gonna have him run. Gonna have to put new oil in it. It's unfortunate because before the accident we did a brand new oil change with AMSOIL.
That's alright, I got lots of AMSOIL.
Yeah, that's I know. Like we have tons.
So here's the new cover.
Yeah.
And then the old cover is somewhere else.
Yeah, I want to show you.
It's all cracked. Marianne fell on her case cover.
Like the bike flew and fall like that, and it cracked all here. So it starts here and go up, and it went like to crack there and crack there.
It's a little dark, but yes, okay. Yeah, it's got lots of hairline fractures and cracks. Alright,
Cheers.
back to work. I'm gonna do my own thing too. What's going on, MB?
I take care of our arm right now. After changing the cover and drained the little bit less of oil that it had left in it.
Ah, yes.
Now, back some oil. New fresh oil.
Some AMSOIL going in RR.
Yeah, full synthetic. 10W40. It's kind of thirsty. Didn't have much left after what happened to him.
And we got behind you the rider training bike.
Yeah. That's right, Marianne just put back the wheel for Marcel on it.
Seattle Tools.
And then no more tire machine.
Oh yeah. Here's the rider training CBR. And the Nomar machine. Next bottle. Alright, let's check your oil window now. Adios.